Hi everyone, I'm excited to share some great news with you today. The publication, Defending Democracy and Human Rights, report and policy recommendations is finally out in print and it's also available online. This book is the result of our international conference held in Skopje in December last year and of the months-long effort of the people gathered around the Defending Democracy international initiative established last year in December, right after the conference. Look, this is more than a book. It's a powerful call to action. It's a roadmap for defending democracy and human rights in the face of war, nationalism, and authoritarianism. Inside this 200 pages book, you will find bold recommendations, practical ones, actionable ones, and you will find inspiring voices of thought leaders around Europe and in the United States. And of course, you will find many practical strategies, actionable strategies to fight disinformation propaganda, to fight far-right extremism, and to counter hybrid threats. Huge thanks to everyone who contributed to the conference, to creation of this book, and to the government of North Rhine-Westphalia and their generous support to this initiative. Find the book on our media platforms in North Macedonia and in Germany and elsewhere where this book will be republished. Read it online or download the link free of charge, no strings attached. And yes, let's stand up for democracy and human rights together. Thank you.